Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best product reviews to help you make informed choices.
Today, we're diving into the perfect Mother's Day gift idea: the Broadway Basketeers Bakery Cookie and Brownie Gift Box. If you're looking for something truly special for Mom this Mother's Day, this gift box is packed with gourmet goodies that are sure to delight.
It's not just a gift, it's an experience of flavors crafted to bring joy. From decadent brownies to mouth-watering cookies, each bite is a testament to quality and taste. The presentation is elegant and thoughtful, making it a hassle-free gift option. With Amazon Prime, it's not just convenient, it's reliable, ensuring your gift arrives on time.
Whether it's for your mom, grandma, wife, or any special woman in your life,
this gift box is designed to celebrate and cherish those sweet moments together. Now, you might be wondering why choose this over other options?
Well, aside from its delightful contents, the Broadway Basketeers brand is known for its commitment to quality and customer satisfaction.
It's a gift that speaks volumes without saying a word.
While I can't draw from customer reviews directly, many have praised its freshness, flavor, and how it adds a special touch to celebrations like Mother's Day.
So, if you're ready to make this Mother's Day unforgettable, click the link in the description to order yours today. Treat your mom to something she truly deserves: a moment of sweetness and love.
Thank you for joining us on Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful reviews.
Until next time, happy gifting!